The Wombats Watercolor Workshop. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a group of delightful creatures known as the Watercolor Wombats. They were famous for their artistic abilities, always painting pictures of their beautiful home. One day, their leader, Wally the Wombat, announced an exciting workshop for all the animals in the forest. They were thrilled to learn some painting techniques from the Watercolor Wombats. All the animals gathered, and Wally demonstrated how to paint the sky, the trees, and the animals. Then, he asked them to paint their favorite memories. Little did they know, the watercolors had a magical power. When the paintings dried, the memories came to life and danced around on the paper. The animals couldn't believe it. They had painted themselves into their memories. They ran around to try and touch their friends in the paper world, but when they did, poof! They were back in the real world. The animals couldn't stop laughing at their fantastic adventure. From that day forward, they visited the Watercolor Wombats every chance they got, always eager to create more magical memories. The end.